Bonjour, Paris. Welcome to the heart of France, where every corner tells a story. Paris, the city of lights, a place where dreams come alive under the shimmering glow of the Eiffel Tower. Romance, history, and croissants await. Imagine starting your day with the aroma of freshly baked pastries. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we unlock the secrets of this magical city. From hidden alleys to grand boulevards, Paris is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. This guide will equip you with all the tips and tricks to navigate Paris like a pro. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, there's always something new to discover. From currency to croissants, we've got you covered. Learn where to find the best cafes and how to blend in with the locals. Paris offers something for everyone: art, music, food, and fashion. The city is a cultural melting pot. Art lovers will be mesmerized by the Louvre's masterpieces. Spend hours wandering through its halls, discovering art from every era. Foodies can indulge in delectable pastries and world-class cuisine. From street food to Michelin-starred restaurants, Paris is a culinary paradise. History buffs can trace the footsteps of revolutionaries and emperors, walk through centuries of history at iconic landmarks. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Paris is sure to leave a lasting impression. The city's beauty and charm are timeless. Let's dive into the practicalities of planning your Parisian escapade. From packing tips to itinerary planning, we've got you covered. Get ready to say bonjour to an incredible journey. Paris awaits with open arms and endless adventures.
Paris offers a wide array of accommodations to suit every budget and preference. From charming boutique hotels to budget-friendly hostels, you'll find the perfect place to rest your head. Consider staying in the Latin Quarter for a lively atmosphere, Le Marais for its trendy boutiques and historic charm, or Montmartre for its artistic vibe. Booking in advance is recommended, especially during peak season. Read reviews and compare prices online before making your reservation. Consider the location and proximity to public transportation when choosing your accommodation. Don't be afraid to venture beyond the city centre for more affordable options.
No trip to Paris is complete without visiting its iconic landmarks. The city is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture, offering a unique blend of the old and the new. Marvel at the grandeur of the Eiffel Tower, an engineering marvel that has become a global symbol of France. Whether you view it from the ground or ascend to its top, the experience is unforgettable. Explore the world-renowned Louvre Museum, home to thousands of works of art, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa and the majestic Venus de Milo. Each gallery tells a story of human creativity and history. Admire the architectural masterpiece of Notre Dame Cathedral, a Gothic wonder that has stood the test of time. Its intricate facades and stunning stained glass windows are a sight to behold. Take a leisurely stroll along the Champs-Élysées, where you can shop at high-end boutiques, dine at chic cafes, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of one of the most famous avenues in the world. This iconic street stretches from the Place de la Concorde to the Arc de Triomphe, offering a perfect blend of luxury and history. Visit the Arc de Triomphe, a monumental arch that stands as a tribute to those who fought and died for France during the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. The names of all French victories and generals are inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces, making it a poignant historical landmark. Climb to the top for panoramic city views, where you can see the entire layout of Paris, including the radiating avenues that lead to this central point. Explore the charming neighborhood of Montmartre with its winding streets, bohemian vibe, and artistic heritage. This area has inspired countless artists over the years. Home to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a stunning white dome church that offers breathtaking views of the city from its steps. Montmartre is a haven for artists, with its many studios, galleries, and street performers adding to its unique charm. Discover the opulent Palace of Versailles, a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the Ancien Regime. Its lavish interiors and grand halls reflect the splendor of French royalty. The palace is surrounded by meticulously manicured gardens, fountains, and sculptures, making it a perfect place for a leisurely walk and a glimpse into the grandeur of the past,
Venture beyond the beaten path to discover Paris's hidden treasures. These hidden gems are often overlooked by the typical tourist but offer a unique and authentic experience of the city. Explore the charming Canal Saint-Martin, lined with trendy boutiques, cafes, and street art. This area is perfect for a leisurely stroll, where you can enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and perhaps find a cozy spot to relax by the water. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Le Marais, a historic neighborhood with a vibrant LGBTQ+ scene. This district is rich in history and culture, offering a mix of old-world charm and modern-day vibrancy. Discover the serene beauty of the Jardin des Plantes, a botanical garden home to a variety of plants and animals. It's a perfect escape for nature lovers, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. Escape the city bustle at the Parc des Buttes-Chaumont, a sprawling park with waterfalls, bridges, and stunning views. This park is a haven for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty, offering picturesque landscapes and serene walking paths. Experience the magic of a Parisian flea market, such as the Marché aux Puces de Saint-Ouen, where you can find unique souvenirs and antiques. This market is a treasure trove for collectors and those looking for one-of-a-kind items, making it a must-visit for anyone wanting to take a piece of Paris home with them.
While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, a little French goes a long way. Learn a few basic phrases such as bonjour, hello, merci, thank you, s'il vous plaît, please, and au revoir, goodbye. Don't be afraid to practice your French with locals. Parisians appreciate the effort even if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Carry a phrasebook or use a translation app to help you communicate. Embrace the opportunity to immerse yourself in the French language and culture. The art de vivre is an integral part of Parisian culture. Take your time to savor your meals, enjoy a leisurely coffee at a sidewalk cafe, and embrace the slower pace of life. Dress stylishly as Parisians take pride in their appearance. Be mindful of social etiquette. Greet people with a handshake or a kiss on both cheeks, known as la bise. Avoid talking loudly in public. Tip generously, as service charges are usually not included in the bill.
Paris is a city that captures the heart and leaves a lasting impression. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, there's always something new to discover. Embrace the Parisian art de vivre, indulge in the city's culinary delights, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Remember to pack your sense of adventure, a comfortable pair of shoes, and a phrase book. With a little planning and an open mind, your Parisian adventure is sure to be an unforgettable experience. Au revoir, Paris. Until next time.